Hi, wanna know how to change keyboard language on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named General Management. Click on it and here go to this tab which is named Samsung Keyboard Settings. Click on it, here open Languages and Types, and as you can see currently I have only one language and that's English. To add some new languages we would need to click on this tab Manage Input Languages, and in this list you would be able to see all of the languages that are able to add them into the keyboard. But if you don't want to scroll through the whole list, you can use this search to find the language that you are looking for. So for example, I will search out the Russian and here click on this slider to add it to my keyboard. Now we can exit this page. And this is it. Now you can see that I got two languages in my languages and types, and let's test it. I'll open browser and try to type anything. As you can see, we got here English, and by clicking on this globe icon on your keyboard, we will switch to another added language. This is Russian keyboard and this is English keyboard. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.